Well, getting that time of the year, set up the Christmas decorations. But I have a couple of these in here that lights are burned out on them. I gotta see if they're LEDs or just a regular incandescent bulb. So I gotta get them out of here. Looks like they're just LEDs, but I'm not 100% sure. Mess. Frosty is the one that burned out. Now we're getting this thing. So, they literally are just little incandescent bulbs. You can see these. Just a little bulb like that. So they all have those in there. No wonder they burn out. You can see that one's burned out on that side. So I'm gonna have to go get a pack of these. But like I said, it's getting that time of the year, and like we just had Thanksgiving. Happy belated Thanksgiving to everybody. But so the kids want to set up these blow-ups now. Personally, I can't stand these blow-ups because as soon as it get windy, these suckers blow over, and I'm out there fighting with them the whole winter. And then they fall down, or they deflate and it rains, or they get ice on. It's a whole process, and it is what it is. I guess it's for the kids. So we're gonna set these up later on. Not today, it's too windy today. I'm not gonna go out there and already start fighting with them. But I did need to check out the light bulb on them and see what kind I needed to get. So also we got a project coming up in the lean-to. I need to get the lights up, and eventually I gotta put a sub panel in the barn. I already got the wire ran. I just gotta run a ground wire because I only ran 3 when I did the ditch. I wasn't thinking. Just thought I would run power out there. I wasn't thinking that I needed that ground wire, but obviously I do. So I got to figure out what I'm gonna do with that, but it definitely needs a sub panel because I only got a temporary 120 amp circuit running out there, and the only thing I got out there is the lights, so it's not a big deal. But I'll have to put all the lights on separate switches so they don't all come on at once, because that'll pop the breaker every time, I guarantee it. So that's coming up. We got to get lights in that because the time I get home and the wife goes out, it's dark. So, and we can't see getting the horses out there, and it's pretty dangerous. And I just need to get that taken care of. But anyways, guys, I thought I'd give you a little bit of update here. We're still moving around. It's just holidays, and I'm not making many videos right now. But I'll catch you guys on the next one.